Today, we're inside the Paul NextGen Suite by Lennar here at the Henry community in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, close to 4,000 square feet, including a NextGen Suite with 3-car garage, well, don't go anywhere, guys. You're gonna wanna stay tuned. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Bella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey, what's going on everyone? So today is August 18, 2025, and today we're here at the Henry by Lennar here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a great location. We're here right off of Rainbow and Blue Diamond. So for you guys that are not familiar, Southwest area is really popular. On Rainbow, you have plenty of restaurants, plenty of stores close by, along with Blue Diamond as well. So, you know, you do have a Target and EOS and many different restaurants. But the great thing about the Southwest area is how convenient it is to get to the Las Vegas airport and Strip. You're close to the 15 or the 215, so it's easily accessible. So once you get on the freeway, you get to the Strip, the airport, in about 10 minutes. We're here at the Henry. I'm gonna have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 5 different floor plans, okay? They offer 2 single-story floor plans, the Eleanor and the Williams, along with 2-story floor plans, which is the Liberty, Paul, and the Justin, okay? Now, these homes, you're looking at about 3,500 square feet, all the way up to about 42, close to 4,300 square feet homes, okay? So pretty large homes. A lot of these homes are gonna have NextGen suites in them as well. So if you're not familiar with a NextGen suite, it's great. It's a separate living area that's inside the house. So it's great for multi-general living, as well as, you know, if you have like family, distant family that wants to live with you, okay? When it comes to pricing, I mean, the base prices are going to range from about $884,990 all the way up to about $1124,990. Now, whenever you look at the base price, just so you know, that doesn't include like the upgrades and the lot premiums. So, you know, here at Lennar, for many of these homes, like the quick move-ins, you're looking at about $996 to about 1.2, just over 1.2 million. Okay. Now, Lennar usually makes spec homes. So when I say spec homes, that just means quick move-in homes. They pick out all the options. These homes are they're either ready now or they're ready within the next few months. Now, if you want to go with an option like that, you are going to get the best deal because the builders are more motivated to sell these homes. But if you want to pick some of your options out, look at a home that closes in about like 5 or 6 months out. So that way you could still pick cabinets, flooring, countertop, backsplash, and maybe like a structural upgrade or 2, okay? But you have to get in pretty, again, like 5 to 6 months out. HOA here is going to be about $103 a month. Yes, it is gated. So that's pretty much like all that includes the neighborhood maintenance as well as the gate. Now, as far as the lot square footage, it really ranges here in this community, but they do have some lots here that are pretty large, okay? So, but yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Hey, welcome everyone. This is the Paul floor plan. Now, the Paul floor plan is 3,990 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. It does include a NextGen suite here, okay? Base price is $1,084,990. They do have some quick move-ins out the door. You're looking at about 1.1, but if it's a quick move-in or move-in ready home, that is negotiable. Okay, so the desert landscaping will be included. The paver driveway will be included as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it is a 3-car garage. Which is pretty cool is this single car garage is actually connected to the NextGen suite. Okay, so that's like their own private garage. This is gonna be the NextGen suite door. Now again, guys, if you're not familiar with what a NextGen suite, it's really cool. It's like your own personal living space that's separate from the main part of the house. Okay, so the NextGen suite has its own like half kitchen, living room, bedroom, laundry room. The only thing that it's missing really is just like a stovetop. But yeah, great for multi-generational living, as well as, you know, if you have distant family living with you, or if you want to rent out one unit of the house, you could definitely give them their own little area. Okay, so welcome in, guys. This is what you could see as soon as you walk in. So immediately you'll see the high ceilings. Okay, great entryway. Right when you look straight ahead, you do have the living room right there. Okay, so we got some nice flooring here. There's definitely upgraded flooring. Okay, so living room, dining room, and kitchen. Now this is the garage door, but most likely it will be locked. Yes, it is locked. That's usually where construction keeps all their belongings there. So we do have a powder room, okay? And guys, for all the Lennar homes, this is the type of the countertop material you can expect in all the spec homes, as well as if you build from ground up, as well as that faucet. Now cabinets will be different per house, okay? The toilet, you're gonna get the same toilet right here. The flooring options will be different as well. Okay. So these are the doors you can expect. The 5-panel doors, which look nice. Okay, this is that's standard. So you have a little bit of storage space underneath the stairs. Okay, so welcome to the main living area. Now you will have 10-foot ceilings on the first floor. You will have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor. A couple of upgrades that I see here is looks like the backsplash is upgraded. The waterfall island is upgraded. The material of the island, the material of quartz is upgraded, along with the cabinet selection. But here, as far as the appliances you're looking at, that will be included. Okay, so I believe it's Monogram. You have the Monogram kitchen appliance package. So really nice refrigerator. Yeah, this door has some weight to it. You can tell it's a nice refrigerator. Because this is going to be your microwave right here, Monogram microwave. Okay. So look at these pulls for the cabinets. So instead of the normal pulls, you kind of have these little slider things. So it's nice. It's like modern. Now the pantry is actually not too large. So one thing I would say that's pretty interesting about this floor plan, this is like the only thing that I think is kind of weird. But see, look, you have some room over there, but not so much space right here, right? So, but again, that's just the only thing that I think is weird about this floor plan. But everything else is really nice. Okay, backsplash again is upgraded. As far as the sink and the sink and the faucet's concerned, yes, this is what you could expect that you'll be getting in any of the homes here. Okay, so this is the backyard. I can't access the slider, but this is how it looks. Now again, there are some lots here that are actually really large in this community. Okay, so in case you're looking for a large lot, this community does have it. But yeah, your backyard when you move in, it's going to be dirt. So you have about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Here, let's check out the NextGen suite. Okay, so this would be the door. No, it won't be a glass door. I think it'll just be your normal door. But yeah, as soon as you walk in, again, you're gonna have a half kitchen here. Okay, so sink, looks like you have like a microwave, refrigerator, Okay, own living room area. That's going to be the door to the that third single garage, and that's the door that leads to outside, close to the entry door. Okay. So you're gonna have stacked washer and dryer right here. And it's gonna be the bedroom for the primary, not the primary, but the NextGen suite. Okay, 3/4 bath. So you got the walk-in shower, the sink, toilet. Okay, fiberglass surround in that walk-in shower, and then your own walk-in closet. So again, great area if you have, if your in-laws are living with you, or if you have guests from out of town staying with you. NextGen suite gives them that privacy. They can do their own laundry here, watch TV, hang out in the loft, have kitchen, have their own entryway, their own garage, which is nice. But yeah, guys, also too, now if you're watching this video and you are interested in new construction homes, and you're thinking about visiting a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Don't go by yourself, guys, because the second you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information, they're gonna log you in their system as having no representation. Now, the problem with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. So yeah, and we look after your best interest, okay? So that means we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we walk you through the process. And also too, I know sometimes buyers are kind of concerned, they think of, buyers are concerned about reaching out to a realtor because they think they have to pay the buyer agent fees. That's not the case, guys, because in this market today, I'm still getting my fees from the builders and from the sellers when it comes to resale homes. So, you don't have to worry about buyer compensation. So as soon as you walk in, up here, you have a nice size loft. Okay, you have some nice space right here as well. Now you're gonna have 2 bedrooms, okay? They're gonna share a Jack and Jill bath, which I will show you. So you have your linen closet right here. Really nice sized bedroom. Okay, so this is the Jack and Jill, but this bedroom is gonna have its own sink, as well as a walk-in closet. The only thing that's gonna be shared between these 2 bedrooms is gonna be the toilet right here, and then this shower tub that you see here. Okay, nice, so you got some space for your linens right here, or just toilet supplies, shower tub combo. Okay, now we're entering the other bedroom with its own sink. Now this bedroom is large. As you can see, they have 2 full-size beds here. Okay, and plenty of space in the middle. Okay, walk-in closet. Oh, so here, as far as like the paint texture and everything, so as you can see, it has this really nice texture. You're gonna get the flat corner edging. Okay, now the paint colors, the paint is gonna be flat paint all throughout the house, and in the wet areas you're gonna have like I believe a semi-gloss finish. Okay, so you have a transfer grill up here that helps regulate the airflow. It prevents doors from slamming. Now this is gonna be the laundry room. Okay, the upper cabinets are optional. It's nice because it has a sink here. Looks like we also have a washer and dryer. Okay, it says optional on it, but guys, again, let me know if you're interested. We could probably throw that in there. So you got attic access right above. All right, let's check out the primary bedroom. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. So you're gonna get these 4 can lights as well as that pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Plenty of space. And also too, so the feedback that I get from a lot of you that watch the videos and then we actually tour homes in person. So most of you guys say that it actually looks more spacious in person than in my videos. So, you know, just a heads up. Okay, so this is gonna be in front of the house. So we got a thermostat right here to control the temperature upstairs. This is nice. I like this. It's pretty wide, this entryway to the bath. Also too, you know, I get buyers from out of state that think it's a little bit weird that there's no door separating the primary bedroom and the primary bath. Yeah, I mean, that's usually what I see in these like Vegas homes, but usually if you want to get around that, you can put like a barn door. I noticed a lot of buyers do that. Okay, so we have your tub, your walk-in shower, and your 2 sinks. Now just remember with Lennar, there's no bathroom configurations that you can do. With other builders, I know you can upgrade to like the larger walk-in shower spa, but here what you see is kind of like what you get as far as just you know, the separate tub, the walk-in shower. I believe the tile surround you can upgrade if you get into the process early enough. I'm not 100% sure though. But most buyers that buy Lennar homes, I mean, they're buying it as spec homes. So that means Lennar's picking out all the options, because if you do it that way, again, you're gonna get the best deal on the house. So got your toilet, and then your walk-in closet. All right. Cool, guys. That wraps it up for this Paul NextGen Suite floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, if you're curious, if you want to know what the incentives are, you know, if you just need help with this new construction process, you're looking for somebody to guide you through it and get you the best deal, my info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.